Hi guys, it's Samuel Baker here.
Hi.
It's my birthday tomorrow and I'm opening packs just for the sake of it. It is my birthday tomorrow. Hopefully we can get someone good of doing pack opening, but I'm opening packs on here and a pack Pogba and a man of the match. So let's just hope we get someone good. Okay, Buffon, but people do react at him. People react to him because he was a good player, but I don't. Oh, homos! Yeah, but anyway, it is all. It is all, but.
Hobos, you got a hobo.
Okay, oh, two informs. Not very good though.
Pushing up, let's go.
Oh,
Got
sure.
Master Bean.
Oh, Sharara.
You got John Cherry.
Okay, Hugo Luis. I don't know if I have packed any winter upgrades, but anyway, who needs winter upgrades? Where do you get packs? Yeah, my
You're
boy.
masturbating over what's his face? Oh, you're masturbating over some
El
football guy.
Shaarawy. He has got it in form in this team of the week, but I want to pack it because it looks very good. The El Shaarawy. Hopefully they do the winter upgrade week 2, what could be pretty sick. Balotelli, oh crap. I think that's a new Watford player. Yeah, I think it is. A new Valdez.
You got one too.
No. Aim for Bender. Oh my god, Neuer.
Being checker.
Oh, 3 Germans.
You got checkers.
But 3 Germans in that pack.
And you got checkers.
I didn't really expect to pack Neuer in that pack. Couture. El Shaarawy. Why are you pairing up? Not your blimmin' inform card. Oh, man of the match. A Premier League player. Decent player. Tavine. Oh, Tavion, I don't know what you can pronounce his name. Oh, okay. Oh, Suarez! Fucking hell. Best players so far have been Suarez and Neymar. No, not Neuer, I mean. Don't my eye. But I think he's the fastest player on pack 7. Oh, Jamie Vardy!
Wait, go in their room and look what they're watching.
I'll watch you in a minute. Jamie Vardy! Winter upgrade. Yes, I packed Jamie Vardy. Winter upgrade. Yes. I don't, if you want more, I would add Vardy because he deserved the winter upgrade. So did Maris. So did Garlic Conte. I would love to pack it, but it could be time to see the best packs. I have packed legends on here before. 2 Rutubes on the pack. Why the hell?
Go watch it.
I'll have a look in a minute. Oh, 2 reforms, 2 championship players. Festori is the best one. Ooh, Padilimon. 2 transfer card. Bender again, but wow. Come on. We want like a blue or a new Tim Wilson. Oh, new Rakitic. Yeah, man. I can deal with that. I can deal with a Rakitic. Oh, yes! We pack a purple Ibrahimovic. Maybe the pack look is coming our day. It is coming. I don't know who I discarded, but I think I discarded Yaya Toure. Oh my god, Ronaldo, yes. Best player so far, Ronaldo, yes. Oh my god, Suarez again! Depay, he's a really good player, I recommend him. What?
I need to borrow it so you can look at a pack to draw.
No.
I need to draw one for your car.
No.
Please.
You don't have to draw.
Yeah, but
Wow.
you-
Rosie!
We want to.
We don't have to.
But I want to.
You don't-
Friend, look how fast my car goes 0 to
Give
100.
me your phone.
Without having it.
That's what you want. Becky!
See, 0 to 100 in about 5
Please?
seconds.
No.
So if police try and chase me in this thing, like, stop police. Stop
Wait.
police.
That's Le Martial. I swear it is.
Hang on.
Is it?
Hang on. Say if police were chasing me in real life thing, and this car, right? This car, look how fast I get to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. About 4 seconds I get to 100 miles per hour.
I think
I
that
feel
was
like
Le
0 to
Martial.
60 is about 2.5 seconds.
I don't know, but
This car is insane.
I don't know, but I'm trying to find out if it was Le Martial. Okay. I'll go and check now.
Hey, how's it going?
Good,
How can I
thank
help
you.
you?
You're fucking Peter. You don't need to help me. You fucking cunt, you know. You're a fucking cunt, you know. You're an asshole. Shall we look at the Mercedes Benz first? Or buy the Audi? Mercedes. Got a Mercedes. Got a Mercedes.
What the fuck?
Hasta la vista, baby. Baby. Baby, go look what they're watching.
Sorry, I couldn't find it, but I will officially find out. Yes.
You can get it in poop brown. Who wants this? And this is a manufacturer colour.
That's the end of the video. Cheers for watching.
You edit it.
Cheers for watching, and cheers.